So Libcloud was started in 2009 by a private company called Cloudkick. And this company was set up to do cloud monitoring, to monitor some of the different public clouds as a service. One of the main developers on that project was also an Apache member, and he is a guy called Paul Kerner, and he said that they should keep that part of the logic separate and keep that open source. The rest of the project was closed, but they kept the integrator, the thing that talks to the different clouds, as a standalone project, and that was always kept as open source. He also worked on making that an incubator project with Apache, where it remained for about 2 years until in 2011 it was promoted to a top-level project. So Apache Libcloud is one of the 100 or so Apache projects, official Apache projects. And shortly after that, Cloudkick was acquired by Rackspace, and they took some of the Cloudkick IP and pulled it apart and integrated it into other places. So I guess Libcloud kind of stuck through that whole process by being part of the Apache project and also being open source.
Awesome. And have you, I mean, your role, you've always been with the project, or when did you get started?
I've only been involved for about a year. Libcloud supports 52 cloud providers, and I work for one of them. So I work for Dimension Data. I was initially involved just looking at how we integrate our cloud solution into Libcloud. So I worked on what we call a driver and doing the integration with that. And just, I guess, as I got more and more involved in the project and helping out other people in the community who were trying to add drivers and add features, my involvement kind of exploded to the point where I was helping do code reviews and pull requests. And then I was voted in as a PMC member, which is an Apache thing. It means the Project Management Committee. So there's a team of, in this case, about 6 people who have sort of the voting rights over the project and guide the project through different releases and also make sure the community is engaged.